Hi YouTube, what's going on? So in this short video, I'm going to be talking about an opportunity which I recently stumbled upon from online. Okay, now for those of you that have been following me, I told you that there are billions of dollars online. Okay, and part of this money can be yours just in case you know what to do while you are online. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you some of the things you can do while you're online so that you can earn money from on daily basis. Okay, so this opportunity which I stumbled upon, you don't need any skills here. All you will need is a smartphone and a stable internet. Okay, so for those of you who have probably 9 to 5 jobs, you can do this as an odd job and you're going to earn some money from online. All right, now this opportunity will be able to pay you, let me be frank with you, is going to pay you as much as $12 every single day. Okay, so if you feel that $12 every single day is not small for you, if you feel that you need some extra source of income aside from what you normally do, then this video is for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you this opportunity and how it works and how you can really make money from it. Okay, and just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay, so in this part of the video, we're going to talk about this opportunity which I recently stumbled upon. Okay, and as I told you earlier, you're going to make as much as $12 every single day. Okay, now what is very good in this opportunity is that the minimum withdrawal is $12. Okay, so this means as low as $12 you can take. Okay, now this opportunity accepts they accept payment methods worldwide. This simply means they pay through crypto. If any opportunity which you come across pays through crypto, it means they mean business. Okay, it simply means everybody from any part of the world can take part in it. Okay, crypto is worldwide. In fact, these guys pay through crypto coins like Bitcoin. Okay, now some other payment methods which are a little faster and easier is they pay through PayPal, pay through Venmo, and gift cards. Okay, all those other payment methods which I mentioned earlier may be available for some countries, but other payment methods like the Bitcoin or crypto is available worldwide, and then other payment methods like the word ACH, they pay through ACH. Okay, which is bank transfers, which is international bank transfers. Okay, you can withdraw a minimum of $5. All right, I think this is good. Now all you need right here is just a stable internet, and all you have to do is just to complete some tasks which should be given to you on daily basis. Okay, now you can do this when you're free. You can do this when probably in the night time when you return from work, just in case you're working, probably you have some 9 to 5 jobs. Now this is going to be an extra income probably to help you settle your bills, right? Now this side which I want to talk about, it is the pound.app. So if you go over there, you're going to have something that looks like this. Okay, so it is the pounds.app. Now what you do is on daily basis you are given several tasks to do, which includes tasks like surveys, games. You also share your internet bandwidth. And let me explain to you what this is all about. For those of you who do subscriptions probably on daily basis or monthly basis, okay, there are certain quantity of your internet which is wasted, probably you're not using. For most countries it happens like this. Okay, so what you can do is you can subscribe on this application on the pounds.app or the pounds.app. It's going to be using some bandwidth, some of your unused internet from background. Okay, so when you subscribe, you're going to be using internet from background. Well, now why this internet is being shared to them, you're going to earn some money. Okay, why these guys have not specified clearly how much you earn per megabyte or whatever. Now you need to know that you're earning per hour depending on how much bandwidth you share with them from the background. You're going to earn on hourly basis. Okay, now this side also gives you a whole lot of money, as I explained earlier, from completing tasks. There are lots of tasks on the platform and you're going to complete them and earn some money. Okay, and as I explained to you earlier, the withdrawal method I told you, which is quite easy. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment. And more resource things which I mentioned in the video is going to be shared on our Telegram channel. For those of you who haven't, please kindly join our Telegram channel so they can get updates timely, and more resource links will also be shared on this video description. Okay, all right, so I look forward to see you in this opportunity and making money from it. Okay.